students, your computer teacher Vinesh Tek is here. It's your fifth week assignment, and the topic of this week assignment is Module 3 Designing a Document and Task 1 Presentation Graphics. Now it's the smart art, and student, it's a picture. You click on a insert button and click on a smart art. Actually, smart art, sometimes we want to show the information in a visual way. Shapes or graphics are the best way to do this. So Microsoft Word, these graphics are called smart art, and we can use smart art to add impressive diagrams or illustrations with a few clicks. So smart art is a type of graphical tools included in the latest version of Word. Smart art is basically a way to make organized presentations art. It is suitable for organizational type of artwork such as organization chart and process list. So these are the smart art graphics, and here you see the list of all the smart arts like all, list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship. And if you want to add any type of smart art in your presentation, in your word art, so click anyone and now press the OK button. Now the next one is shapes. Actually, shape is a form of an object or its external boundary, outline, or external surface, as opposed to other properties such as color, texture, or a material type. So you want to make shapes in your documents, it's a more fun. So you can add almost any kind of shapes like flags, arrows, circle, triangles, and these shapes you want to add, press the insert button, then click on the shapes, and most of the shapes are present in front of you. So you choose any shape and make your document more impressive. So these are the shapes, different types of shapes: right triangles, parallelograms, squares, pentagons, cross, stars, hearts, triangle. These are all the shapes. So it's a pattern. Now you click on a insert button and add any shape or any pattern in a drawing area. Now right click on the pattern and you write in it. So it's a time to practical. So students, I have a video for you and you do practical along with the video.
Smart art can be used to communicate information with graphics instead of text, giving you the chance to add color, shape, and interest to parts of your document. With so many styles to choose from, smart art makes it easy to illustrate your point. I need to create a graphic that shows the organization of the people at my company. To get started, click where you want your smart art to go, then go to Insert. If you click the Smart Art command, a list of categories will appear, along with the graphics you have to choose from, and a preview. The type of smart art I'm looking for should be under Hierarchy. Let's give this one a try. All you have to do here is start typing your information, and it appears in the smart art resized so it fits the shape automatically. You can also enter your text in the shapes themselves, which is fine for a simple graphic like this, but for something more complex, it might be easier to stick with the task pane. Notice the design and format tabs that appear whenever you have your smart art selected. From here, an easy way to add more shapes to your smart art is to select a shape near the location you have in mind. Then click Add Shape. You can add one after or before your current shape, which will place them on the same level, or add one above or below. On second thought, I should have placed this one level higher, right under the owner's name. That's okay. You can change the level of any shape using demote to move it down, or promote to move it up. You can also perform the same actions from within the task pane using your keyboard. Pressing the Tab key will demote a shape, while backspace promotes a shape. It's a lot like creating an outline with a multi-level list. You can even add shapes to the list by pressing Enter. Since I don't need this shape though, I'm going to delete it. I'm also going to go ahead and delete these other shapes by selecting each bullet, then pressing backspace. Now my SmartArt has text, but it still looks a little bland. So I'm going to change the look of the graphic using SmartArt styles. Click the drop-down arrow here to see the full list of styles. You can hover over each style for a live preview. I like this one. Word also provides a variety of color schemes to use with SmartArt. To change the graphic's color, click the Change Colors command and just select one you like. Color schemes are designed to match theme colors, so your choices will vary depending on which theme you're using. If you decide you don't like the way your information is organized within a SmartArt graphic, you can always change its layout to better fit your content. Start by selecting the graphic you'd like to change. From the Layouts group, click the More drop-down arrow. I'd like something a little more unique looking, like this one. You can also change the appearance of individual shapes. Just select one or more, switch to the Format tab, and take advantage of any of the options here. For example, I'd like to change the color of the text in these shapes so that it's easier to read. SmartArt